Let us begin new course. Operations Research. In this course, we will study 4 topics. First is linear programming problems. In short, we write this as LPP, linear programming problem. In this chapter, we first study how to formulate LPP. Next, we study how to find solution of linear programming problem using graphical method. Next, we study simplex method. To find solution of linear programming problem. We will also study different cases of solutions. We will study a case when LPP has unbounded solution. We will study a linear programming problem when it has alternative solution. We will study a linear programming problem when it has infeasible solution. In this case, the given linear programming problem will not have a solution. We will also study these 3 cases in graphical method also. Then second chapter is transportation problem. In this chapter, we first study how to describe a transportation problem in tabular form. Then we will learn to find initial solution of a transportation problem. To find initial solution, we use following three methods. First is north-west corner rule. Second is matrix minima method. And third is Vogel's approximation method. Next, we study how to find optimum solution of a transportation problem. Using Modi method. That is modified distribution method. We will also learn different cases of a transportation problem where a transportation problem is unbalanced. We will also study a transportation problem when it has an alternate solution. We will also learn a transportation problem when a transportation problem has certain restrictions. Third topic is assignment problem. First, we will see how to describe an assignment problem in tabular form. Then we learn a method of solving assignment problem using Hungarian technique. It is used to find optimum solution of an assignment problem. Optimum solution means it will give minimum assignment cost of doing certain activity when assigned to certain persons. We will also learn an assignment problem in different cases when it has alternative solution, when an assignment problem has restrictions, we will also learn an assignment problem when it is unbalanced. Maximization case is also there. Last topic is game theory. First, we define terminologies, different words used in game theory. We will learn what is a strategy, of a player in a game. There are two players in a game and both are using different strategies to play certain game. So we will see what is a strategy for a player. Then what is the value of a game? Especially we learn two-person zero-sum game. In which a loss of one player is a gain of another. To solve two-person zero-sum game, we use maximin and minimax principle. We will also define a saddle point of a game. When a game has a saddle point, it is easy to solve. And if doesn't has a saddle point, then we use algebraic method to find a solution of two-person zero-sum game. It is used to solve 2 by 2 game. That is when both player has only two strategies to play. We will also learn dominance rule. There are three dominance rules. Using these rules, larger game can be reduced to a 2 by 2 game, and then we use algebraic method to solve such a game. If we have a game, say 2 by 5 game or 2 by 6 game, then using graphical method, these games are reduced to 2 by 2 size, and then algebraic method is used. Similarly, if we have 5 cross 2 game, then it can also be solved by using graphical method. This game is also reduced to 2 by 2 size using graphical method, and then algebraic method is used to find solution of that game. So let us begin with the first chapter, linear programming problem.